Today we are having a look at this copper Hunter Covent Garden. So I don't know too much about these other than they are very similar to the 1896 Art Nouveau. Now, like I said, this one's in the copper finish, obviously. And I think the main difference between the Art Nouveau and the Covent Garden are the blade tips. See, this one has like this, I don't know what you call it, wave tip, wing tip, I don't know what you want to call that. And the Art Nouveau has a little bit of a hump tip. That I do know. Other than that, not really sure. This one has a longer down rod, which doesn't really match, but you know. So I got this from Facebook Marketplace for free. And it was advertised as not working, but the only issue was it had a dead remote receiver hooked up. So all I did was remove that, and now it works on the pull chains just fine. I believe the capacitor, more than likely the 2-wire capacitor, is fading because I don't think it's going as fast as it should. But we're going to start off with the demonstration. This is the light. Hunter badge right there. There's nothing that has anything to do with a medalist on this one, whatever that. Like I said, I don't know too much about these. Light. Started off on low. We got this on a solid state, which I will not be using that. It's definitely a very nice looking fan with the ornate design. And this fan in its life was very lightly used. The bearings are absolutely perfect. They're silent. This is medium here. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, my testing spot back here is not the greatest setup, so it is kind of jerry-rigged up there a little bit. Which does cause the fan to shake ever so slightly. This is high speed here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be going faster. I have a feeling it should be going faster. Main reason I think it should be going faster is because when you look at the initial startup, which we'll do right now, I feel like it should spin up and come up to speed faster. Has a long spin down though. It's got very good bearings like I mentioned previously. And I do believe the glass on the light is factory, if I'm remembering right. This fan is in very good condition. I mean, there's very minimal to no damage on this thing at all. Pretty much no scratches anywhere. Now that was a very long spin down, but other than that, that's all I got for the Copper Hunter Covent Garden.